When it comes to personal finance, many people are looking for businesses that will never fail. But the truth is that each business has the potential to fail. Every company has its own set of strengths and weaknesses. What will determine your success in any business is how well you manage your business. In this video, we will look at some outstanding business concepts that are almost immune to failure. These tried and true strategies provide a rock-solid basis for success, whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner. So stick with us to the end.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Life of Luxury. Savor the flavor of exploring wealth, where we post videos about life and luxury. Join us on an exciting video as we explore the wonderful lives of the elite. We are absolutely thrilled to share our knowledge with you. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can continue to post videos on this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment and we'll make sure to engage and start some interesting discussions with you.
Without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1. Vending machines businesses. This business offers excellent markups and profit margins. Volume is what makes it profitable and worthwhile. 90% of vending businesses are profitable. Every year, over 85% of enterprises fail, and in comparison to a typical small business, vending machines operate for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It does not require overhead costs, insufficient funding, promotion, rent, and other expenses, as well as employee retention. However, a lot has changed throughout the years. As a result, jobs are no longer secure and reliable. Corporate downsizing affects a large number of people, so starting your own business is the only method to achieve your goals. Vending machines are an intriguing business idea since they can be started with little capital and scaled to any level you can handle. There are no bad debts, credit concerns, or accounts receivable in this firm, and you may start generating money right away. This is also applicable to laundromats. According to studies, laundromats have a very high success record, with almost 95% of them succeeding after 5 years. Number 2. Real estate businesses. Did you know that historically, real estate has generated more wealth than all other sorts of industrial investments combined? According to Andrew Carnegie, 90% of millionaires got their wealth by investing in real estate. Rental property businesses have a success rate of 85.3%. This asset also tends to appreciate in value over time, resulting in long-term capital gains while providing cash flow. Real estate also allows investors to use leverage to purchase assets, such as rental properties with borrowed bank funds. You can also hire a property manager to transform your real estate investment into a source of passive income. But, of course, we believe in you, so we know you don't need a property manager only to do that. Number 3. Healthcare businesses. From pharmacy to dental clinic to hospital, the healthcare industry is the fastest growing and most promising. However, there are concerns about cost complexity and volatility, which can make this industry uneasy. However, if approached appropriately, this is one of the industries that will never fail. Healthcare accounts for more than 10% of total GDP in developed countries, according to figures obtained. This will likewise be close to 18% in the United States by the end of 2019. After all, health is a basic human necessity. As a result, consumers spend money on healthcare every day. Number 4. Transportation business. Every day, people go from one location to another. Transportation, whether for products or people, has become an essential aspect of modern life. Thousands, millions, and billions of dollars are generated every day in the transportation industry. However, you must first research current demand in your geographic region. You will make more money if you start with a small business strategy. Furthermore, transportation includes vital components such as ambulances, medical emergencies, and more. Thank all of the group of e-commerce and online platforms for making this business easier than before. So you can also establish a transportation company like Bolt or Uber. After all, this company has a 76.4% success rate. Before we go any further, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below telling us what video references you'd like to see in future videos. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 5. Agribusiness. Agriculture is a valuable industry. Agriculture contributed 4% of the world's GDP in 2018, since it provides food for billions of people every day. Although it accounts for more than 25% of GDP in several developing countries, it has an impressive 88% success rate. So, if you're interested in farming, now is the time to establish your own agribusiness. Number 6. Dump truck business. The mining industry has the highest overall survival rate of any sector, rating 51.3%, according to Small Business Trends. The best aspect is that you don't need millions of dollars to start a mining company. A used dump truck can be had for as little as $15,000. Starting a mining company is difficult and costly, but there is a wonderful little backdoor strategy for profiting off the mining industry's stability. Of course, if you live near a mine, there will always be a need for dump trucks to deliver coal or other mined commodities. There has never been more appropriate time to start a dump truck business than now. Because the dump truck sector is rapidly expanding, there are more driving possibilities accessible. In reality, the dump truck servicing business in the United States is expected to reach $20.64 billion by 2025. And that figure just includes large-scale mining and construction operations. Number 7. Cleaning services. You may start your own cleaning firm with a little hard work, acceptable equipment, and safe transportation. You can provide cleaning services to clients' homes, office buildings, or sites hosting special events. You will need a vacuum cleaner, mop, bucket, rags, and cleaning supplies to get started. You may also need to purchase a car to transport your supplies and equipment to and from job sites. Once you have the necessary materials and tools, you can begin promoting your business in your community by handing out flyers and business cards. You may also boost your clientele by offering discounts in exchange for consumer referrals or long-term contracts. The success rate for starting a cleaning business is 95%. Number 8. Starting lawn care. This is a good idea because it requires little capital. To get started, you will need some basic lawn care tools, such as a lawnmower, an edger, and a trimmer. You may also need to purchase a car to transport your equipment to and from job sites. When you have all of the necessary materials and tools, you can start promoting your business in your neighborhood by handing out flyers and business cards. Another strategy to build your customer base is to offer discounts in exchange for customer recommendations or the signing of a long-term contract. Number 9. Storage units. If you want to invest in real estate but don't want to deal with renters, trash, or toilets, self-storage facilities could be a good option for you. If you want to make your self-storage business as passive as possible, start an unmanned self-storage facility. People can now use their smartphones to reserve a storage container, acquire the unlocking code, and collect their belongings. The success rate of self-storage business beginnings is 92%. Last but not least, personal training. If you have a passion for fitness and supporting people in accomplishing their fitness objectives, starting your own training business may be the perfect business idea. To get started, you will need to make a financial investment, such as purchasing free weights, weight machines, and training mats. You must also obtain liability insurance to protect yourself and your clients in the event of an accident or injury. Once you have the necessary equipment and insurance, you can begin promoting your business. Offer discounts in exchange for customer recommendations or long-term contracts. The success rate for starting a personal training business is 90%. That brings us to the end of the list of the unstoppable business ideas that are guaranteed to succeed.
That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, remember to subscribe to The Life of Luxury for more videos to help you explore the wonderful lives of the elite. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. See you in our next video!